Makiaria mari mucini munene wa Nairobi atongoria a gikundi kia Linda Mwananchi ni matugeretie muingi wa Kalou na njira nene makiuga ikia akura a gicigo kiu ni mahete bururi mwerekera wa kurumirira githurano-ini turorete.
The people of Kalou have shown us that it doesn't matter what the regime throws at the people, be it goodies, be it intimidation, be it violence. The people in their supreme power will be the final say in the elections even in 2027.
Kalou has shown us that bribery, violence would not contribute to the conduct of the elections in 2027.
The people of Kalou have demonstrated to the entire country that indeed the one term is real. One term is real. One term is real. And therefore we congratulate Honorable Ngotho, the DCP party and Honorable Rigathi Gachagua.
Gavana wa Murang'a uria wiriga kwiyumba na gikundi giki akiuga gutiri undu tangaja mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP niwe uri na muthigi wa gutongoria gitaru kia Mount Kenya kumana na moimirira ma githurano giki.
It was very clear as a person from that region that DCP would win, and it's also true that Wamunyoro is the voice of that region in terms of his political impact.
Hamwe na uguo atongoria moigite kiama kia UDA githiete na mbere gucokera na gukiririria mahitia maria mekirwo ni kiama kia Jubilee na nikio kiama kiu kiratungirio igutha ria kumaconora Kalou.
Jubilee last election used some violence, it lost. UDA is using violence, it has lost. Jubilee last election, they mistreated their leaders, including the then deputy. But then the then deputy, William Ruto, upon assuming power, he has also exerted a lot of unfairness to his then former deputy Gachagua, and also even the problems in ODM, and you can see the results is what Kalou did.
Ona gutuika thirikari na kiama kia UDA ni kiratungirio igutha atongoria mathingiriria no muhaka IEBC etacokiria makinya maabitha othe a thirikari aria magiritanitio na mahitia ma kuhaka aikia akura hamwe na guthuthira ngui gicigo-ini kiu kia Kalou.
We wish to see action being taken against those people. So IEBC should not think that just because the government has been shellacked there, despite of everything that they did, we still want accountability, because we don't want a repeat of those issues or those sort of campaigns in 2027.
Linda Mwananchi mateterithitie meguthie na mbere kunyitanira mito-ini ya kuhamurithia William Ruto thingire-ini wa iregi gutekumakania mwena wa mung'ethaniro uria mari kuona muthia-ini no mari nyitana na atongoria aria angi.
Uti mundu turahura, uti mundu turaruma, no kugeria gutindika agenda ino. Koguo njuge ithuĩ tumwena ũmwe na group ya DCP na gutiri handu tukahitania nayo, no ni haria twara mubira turoretie ngũri mwena ũmwe.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Mainam.